Are you tired of setting goals that never stick? How has the world's current crises impacted your income? Have you considered the vast opportunities the online world has to offer in 2024? The world as we know it has been turned on its head. From economic downturns to global health crises, we are living in an era of uncertainty. Economies are shrinking, industries are collapsing, jobs are being lost, and incomes are dwindling. We are witnessing the biggest crisis of our generation, and it's impacting everyone, everywhere. But amidst all this chaos, there is a glimmer of hope. A realm that remains largely unaffected by the turmoil happening around us. A world that is not only surviving, but thriving. It's the world of the internet, a vast, limitless landscape that offers countless opportunities for those willing to explore and exploit. The internet has become the modern-day gold rush. The gold, however, isn't buried in the ground, but hidden in the binary code of ones and zeros. It's a treasure trove waiting to be unearthed. And the best part? You don't need a shovel or a pickaxe. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and the willingness to learn and adapt. The online world is teeming with opportunities to generate income. From selling products to offering services, from investing in digital assets to creating online courses. And the beauty of it all is that you can do it from the comfort of your home, at your own pace, and on your own terms. The crises have forced us to rethink and reimagine our lives, but they have also presented us with an opportunity to leverage the power of the internet and turn adversity into advantage. In the face of uncertainty, one thing remains clear: the future is digital, and those who adapt and seize the opportunities it presents will not only survive but thrive. So in this seemingly bleak world, there's a silver lining, a chance to reinvent yourself, to learn new skills, to explore new horizons, to create a new source of income. With the right knowledge and tools, the internet can be a goldmine. Let's explore how. Artificial intelligence, once a concept of science fiction, has now become a reality, and a lucrative one at that. Imagine a world where machines can learn, analyze, and make decisions just like humans. That's our world today, thanks to AI. Now let's explore how to use it. Develop AI-based products or services. If you have a background in machine learning and software development, you could develop AI-driven tools or applications. These could range from chatbots for businesses to advanced data analysis tools, predictive algorithms for the stock market, or even AI-driven apps for personal use. Selling software as a service, SaaS, can generate recurring income. Offer AI consulting services. Many companies are looking to integrate AI into their operations but lack the expertise to do so effectively. If you have the requisite skills, you can offer consulting services to help businesses implement AI solutions, optimize their existing processes, or provide insights on how AI can enhance their operations. Create and sell AI-enhanced content. AI tools can generate or enhance creative content such as writing, art, music, or video. You can use AI platforms to create unique content and sell it online. For example, you could use AI to write articles, create music without needing extensive knowledge of musical instruments, or generate digital art to sell on platforms like Etsy or Shutterstock. AI and e-commerce. Leverage AI tools to optimize e-commerce operations. AI can help personalize shopping experiences, manage inventory, optimize pricing strategies, and handle customer service through automated chatbots. You can either use these tools for your own e-commerce business or offer them as a product service to other retailers. AI-powered investing or trading AI can be used to analyze stock market trends and make investment decisions. Tools like robo-advisors or AI platforms that predict stock movements can be particularly lucrative. You can create your own trading algorithms or use existing ones to invest money and offer subscriptions to your trading signals. Teach AI skills online. There's a significant demand for education in AI and machine learning. If you're skilled in these areas, you can create online courses or write books, ebooks on various AI topics. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or your own website are great places to sell or distribute educational content. Automate with AI. Use AI to automate various online business activities, reducing costs and improving efficiency. This can range from automating social media campaigns to using AI for email marketing or content curation. Efficient operations can save money, which in effect is making money by cutting costs. Affiliate marketing with AI. Utilize AI tools to enhance affiliate marketing efforts. AI can analyze large sets of data to identify the most lucrative products to promote, optimize your marketing strategies, and personalize content to target audiences, increasing the likelihood of sales. Licensing AI technology. If you develop a unique AI technology, you can license it to other companies for use in their products or services. This can provide a steady income stream if your technology solves a significant problem or enhances business operations effectively. AI-powered tools for digital marketing. Create or utilize AI-driven tools that help enhance digital marketing efforts. These can include AI-driven SEO tools, content creation tools, and customer behavior analysis tools that can help other businesses improve their online presence and sales. So, whether you're a tech wizard, a strategic thinker, or a data guru, there's a place for you in the world of AI. It's not just about making machines smarter. It's about using AI to solve real-world problems and, in the process, opening up new avenues for online income. AI is not the future, it's the present, and it's a profitable one. Money makes money. This old adage holds true even in the digital age. As we navigate these turbulent times, the internet presents a plethora of opportunities to grow our wealth. Let's take a journey through the digital landscape of investing. First stop, the stock market. It's no longer about Wall Street traders shouting across the trading floor. Today, anyone with an internet connection can buy and sell shares in companies, from tech giants to promising startups. But remember, the stock market is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires diligent research, patience, and a well-thought-out strategy. Next, we venture into the world of bonds. Just like their physical counterparts, online bonds are a safer bet for those who prefer steady returns over high risks. Governments and corporations issue these digital IOUs, promising to pay you back with interest over a set period. It's like lending your money with the certainty of getting it back, plus a little extra. Now, let's dive into the exhilarating realm of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a host of others have been making waves in the digital ocean. These decentralized digital currencies offer potential high returns, but come with their own set of risks. The volatility of the crypto market is not for the faint-hearted, so tread carefully, do your homework, and only invest what you're willing to lose. Last, but certainly not least, is the burgeoning market of digital assets. From virtual real estate in online worlds to unique digital art known as NFTs or non-fungible tokens, these assets have been gaining popularity and value. However, like any investment, they require careful evaluation and understanding. In the digital age, knowledge is power and research is your best tool. Understanding market trends, assessing risks, and managing your investments wisely can pave the way to financial success. Remember, the internet is a vast ocean, abundant with opportunities, but also fraught with dangers. Investing online can be a gamble, but with the right strategy, it can pay off. To help you understand this chapter better, I have created a video about 8 assets that make you rich. Take your time and invest in your knowledge. Knowledge is power, and in the online world, it's also profitable. Let's delve into the concept of creating and selling online courses, an avenue that has seen a tremendous rise in recent years. As more and more people turn to the internet for learning, the demand for online courses has skyrocketed. No matter what your area of expertise may be, there's likely a hungry audience out there waiting to learn from you. Think about it. You could be a whiz at coding, a master of gardening, a guru of digital marketing, or even an expert at baking the most delectable muffins. Whatever your talent, skill, or knowledge, there are people who want to learn from you. Do you know RASK AI? RASK AI is a tool that allows content creators and companies to translate their videos into more than 130 languages, quickly and efficiently. This is a very interesting and easy way of making. You can use this powerful tool and sell on Fiverr at a good price. All videos, e-learning courses, and much more that you create can be used in different channels, just changing the language. I will post a link below for you to explore. Creating online courses is more than just a way to share your knowledge. It's an opportunity to create a passive income stream. Once your course is up and running, it can generate revenue round the clock, whether you're awake or asleep, at work or on vacation. Study Pool is an example of where you can sell your works. But let's take a moment to dispel a common myth. Creating an online course does not mean you need to be a professional teacher or possess a fancy degree. What you need is expertise in your field, a passion for sharing your knowledge, and the ability to communicate effectively. Now let's talk numbers. The potential income from selling online courses can be substantial. It's not uncommon for course creators to earn thousands, tens of thousands, or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. The key lies in the value you provide. If your course can help someone solve a problem, achieve a goal, or gain a new skill, they'll be more than willing to pay for it. Remember, in the world of online learning, your knowledge is not just power, it's a valuable commodity. It's a way to make a difference in someone's life, while also earning an income. Your knowledge could be someone else's treasure. This is when you take advantage of ChatGPT. Why not profit from it? The world may be in crisis, but opportunities are aplenty, especially online. But remember, these opportunities don't just fall into our laps. They require the right knowledge, tools, and a proactive approach to seize them. The beauty of the online world is its accessibility. It's open to anyone with an internet connection and the determination to learn, adapt, and grow. We're living in an era of extraordinary change, and while that can be daunting, it also presents us with incredible opportunities. It's an exciting time to be alive, and even more thrilling to be part of this digital revolution. The world is changing, and so are the ways to make money. Don't be left behind. Seize the opportunities the online world offers and secure your financial future.